In this video, I will guide you on how to set up two WhatsApp accounts. Currently, there is no option to add an account on the iPhone's WhatsApp application. Although Android phones have already received the feature to add another account on the same WhatsApp app, iPhones do not have this feature yet. The only alternative solution I can currently offer is to use the App Store version of WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business is a secondary app generally recommended for businesses, but if you want to use a second phone number, this is the only option available since this feature has not been rolled out to WhatsApp. Usually, iPhones receive the latest and greatest features first, but in this case, they chose not to add it. Possibly because they assume that iPhone users typically use a single SIM card due to the single SIM slot. Therefore, I recommend trying the WhatsApp Business app instead.